What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2019 Audi Q5 unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So this key fob is not actually dead, but we're still going to run through the demonstration. The first thing we're going to need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. There's a button here and a button on this side too that my pointer finger's on. Press both those buttons down at the same time and the emergency key will slide out like that. And then we'll use the emergency key to unlock the driver's door. So now we'll take our emergency key and we're going to use it to unlock the driver's door. So we'll put it in the driver's door like that, and then we'll turn to the left or counterclockwise to unlock. Then we'll open the door. At this point, in most cases, the alarm is going to start going off. How we're going to turn the alarm off is we need to start the vehicle, and we'll take a look at how to start the vehicle with a dead key fob in the next shot. So to get the Q5 started with the dead key fob, what we need to do is take our key fob and then come over to the cup holder. And if we look on the left cup holder, the driver's side, we see this little icon of a key right here. What I'm going to do is take the key fob and I'm going to put it in there with the buttons facing forward and the key fob upside down. So it's like this. And I'm just going to slide it in between those two pieces for the cup holder. So it's sitting in there like that. Then I'll come over here and I'll press the stop start button. And then I'll start it as normal. Brake, stop start button. And then once you start it, that will turn the alarm off. And you'll be able to drive as normal. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.